Hey, it's Digital Dylan, and I know I usually do Facebook and Instagram advertising, but I also do other digital advertising such as Google, even Bing ads. I've done YouTube, a lot of different advertising platforms online. As online is really where more people are shopping more than ever. If you really look at the numbers, people are shopping online at an increasing rate year over year. So what I want to show you today is something where you can kind of understand what that traffic is doing online and kind of what they're interested in. So I have right here the Google Keyword Planner that I'm going to show you. And if you go to ads.google or search Google Keyword Planner, you're going to be able to find this tool. So I'm logged in here to my Google Ads account. Don't have anything running right now. I'm not running any Google Ads, but I have. To kind of give a quick, brief Google Ads works. It's probably one of the most popular. Typically, it's a little bit higher cost, but you're more with Google Ads looking bottom of the funnel if you're not doing display type advertising. Usually bottom of the funnel, people searching and looking for your product or service. But Google Keyword Planner here, you're going to go up to Tools and Settings and search Keyword Planner. So here's where it gets cool, right? Let's say your business, let's say you are a barber shop. Let's say you cut hair, which I think right now at the moment I'm shooting this video, everyone wants a barber, especially being stuck inside with the whole coronavirus stuff. But let's just say things open back up. You need to unlock that demand. How are you going to do it? What are people searching for? So you're going to click here where it says Discover New Keywords, and you're going to put, for example, like barbershop. Let's say barber, haircut near me. Let's see, what are some other ones? Salon, let's put salon in there. So let's say those are the ones. You can select the area. So if you want to do local searches, or if you just want to see kind of more of a overall demographic interest, then keep it open to like United States, or if you're doing it internationally, select that here by selecting down here and clicking there. So of course, once you get all that, you obviously can link your website, but honestly, it's not too difficult to kind of think of a couple ideas because they're going to give you some suggestions. So you click Get Results. And this is going to pull up here a variety of different, search terms that people use. And when you see here, you can see the exact ones you did and then some suggestions, so some ideas. But you can see the average monthly searches, the competition. So this is surprisingly low, which is always good news because what that means is less people are actually bidding on it. That means less people are using that keyword to actually reach out, but people are searching barbershop at 1 million to 10 million per month in the United States. That's what that means. So you can do it locally to see, hey, how many people in my specific city are searching for barbershop or a haircut near me. And then also, what are some of the more popular searches or potential ideas such as hair salon near me? 1 million to 10 million. Low competition. That could be a good thing if you own a salon. If you do women's hair, this might be a great keyword to actually bid for because it shows what people are actually searching for and looking for. So really cool stuff. So with all this being said, the Google Keyword Planner can really be helpful when you maybe are thinking of a new idea or you're trying to find areas where you're trying to bid on Google Ads, or just in general, what are people looking for in your market that maybe you could kind of sell to them in terms of services to products that you might have, but also what language are they using to search for it. So you can use that whether that's on Google Ads or Facebook ads. So there's a lot of cool things you can do with this, and I wanted to really briefly show you this. Hope everyone's staying safe and healthy out there, but definitely recommend it because I know right now I've been working on a little side project here called Vroom Tech, where I did like a Zoom training course. I did some Zoom backgrounds as I do a lot of content creation. So it was kind of a little fun project that I'm testing out here, running some ads, and was just thinking about this and thought this could be helpful to y'all. All right, hope everyone stays safe and healthy. Take care.